For example, if there is a question that state the use of technology in agriculture, how technology can improve the agriculture productivity. Now see, in the single book to get everything is not possible, but you have studied a lot. See, UPSC is the only preparation which I believe provides you a platform that ultimately makes you a good human being. You will be, at least if you are standing anywhere, and if somebody is conversating on any topic, you will be able to give certain points. That is UPSC preparation, right? So try to utilize the same. For example, I said that technology used to increase the agricultural productivity. Now in India, despite we come from any metropolitan area or rural area, everybody has their roots in the villages. So you see, the first thing which is there in the agriculture is sowing of seeds. Now when seeds come, there is the biofortification of seeds. What is that? Technology. Nano, then it comes the fertilizers, nano urea. What is that? Technology. Then it comes these sprinkles which it comes, that is also technology. All the farm mechanization, all the machineries which are used in the farms, they are also technology. Then after then the crushing, all the machinery which is used, that is also technology. Post that, post harvest, you also need to store it, the cold storage, that is also technology. After that, you need to send it to different parts, and while you are sending the products, you also ensure that there is no leakage, so you use the GPS, that is also technology. The ISRO is also monitoring, and you also get the data about the soil testing, that is also technology. So see, we have not read any book, but here only we have discussed at least 8 to 10 points, and there you have to write 5 to 6 points maximum. So whenever you get certain questions, ट्राई टू एनालाइज इट फ्रॉम वेरी बेयर मिनिमम लेवल. मैंने यही किया था. कोई क्वेश्चन आए ना, उससे डरना नहीं है. जिनका भी फर्स्ट है, आपको जस्ट उस क्वेश्चन में से 2 या 3 कीवर्ड्स को अंडरलाइन कर लेना. जब आप क्वेश्चन पढ़ रहे हैं, स्टेट दैट टाइम ओनली ट्राई टू अंडरलाइन 2-3 कीवर्ड्स, और उन कीवर्ड्स को पकड़ के ही आपको क्वेश्चन एड्रेस करना है. यू विल बी एबल टू राइट वेरी गुड आंसर्स. ठीक है. सो दिस इज यू हैव टू डू फॉर GS 1, 2, 3. Then and for all the value addition, be assured you will get the most updated data which you can use. For apart that, study the standard books which you are doing with the class materials, and maximize the number of answer writing. You will write these tests, okay, but try to write at least 1-2 questions from PYQs also. Don't leave the hands of PYQ when it comes to UPPCS. That should be your bible for this preparation. The reason being, in the UPSC you will not see repetition of questions, but in UPPCS 1-2 question at least in each paper you can see repetition. और बहुत पहले से UPPCS मेंस नहीं करा रहा 5-6 years, so it is very easy. The topic you are reading, try to write the answer. Okay. For example, I'll tell you how it will help for those who will be writing mains first time. The actual challenge is to complete the paper. In UPSC, you at least have after 2 days a day gap. We wrote 4 days, 2 times exam, and that was 8 papers in 4 days. So when I talked to a lot of my friends who have also given the examination, the one challenge which all of them have said that it was very difficult to write all the 8 papers, 20 questions each. There I feel is the role of PYQs. For example, I'll give you an example that in the GS1 paper, you will see every year there is a question on personality. Either it is Mahatma Gandhi, it is Ambedkar, it is Bose, it is Sardar Patel. Any one personality, you will see the question in GS1 every year. Now what you have to do? You have to prepare these 5-6 personalities in such a manner that with the intro, conclusion, everything you are ready. Okay. Now I also did the same. In our paper, in the second question was only on the contribution of Sardar Patel. Now see, when you do the paper, though we say that 7 or 7.5 minutes you need to write one answer, but सबसे ज़्यादा time taking जो होता है, the maximum time which is required is to address first question only. उसके बाद flow बन जाता है. Sometime it happens that you even take 10 minutes to write first answer. why I'm telling this is that don't be afraid of such thing कि पहले से पैनिक करने लग जाओ कि मुझे 10 मिनट लग गए. You will be able to manage, and it is with everyone. It is very normal if it is happening with you. But see, suppose I have devoted 10 minutes in the first question, and the second question only I found which was already ready for me. What happened? The time which the time which I took extra here, I was able to compensate it there, right? Similar, you will find if you will do the pyqs very nicely, that at least two questions, one or two question in each paper, you will be able to do with less efforts, and the time you will save there, that will help you to complete the paper. Because this thing, remember that you have to complete the paper at any cost. And at the end of the entire test series, we will also have Aklan mains, which will be 4 days continuous paper, that you have to give it very rigorously. ट्राई टू, डोंट बी अफ्रेड दैट अभी सिलेबस कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ तो टेस्ट नहीं लिखना है, बिकॉज सिलेबस इज नेवर एंडिंग फॉर एनी वन. सिलेक्शन हो गया, मैं अभी भी बोल सकती हूँ कि मुझे सब कुछ नहीं आता, राइट? तो सिलेबस इज नेवर एंडिंग फॉर एवरी वन. तो डोंट बी इन टू दैट साइकिल कि अभी कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ 2 दिन बाद लिखता हूँ. रेदर ट्राई टू मेक योर सेल्फ टू दैट लेवल कि मुझे टेस्ट के डेट तक अपने आप को अप टू डेट करना है. See, this is 3 months of extreme hard work which is required. No doubt the smart work will fetch you marks, but smart work couples with hard work. Until hard work, you won't be able to do smart work. So this 3 months, be on your toes and try to maximize how much time you can give, and try to write tests very rigorously. That will really help you to get good marks in the mains examination. Okay. Now when I come to paper GS4. See, here the pattern for GS4 is bit different from what it is in the UPSC. Here the weightage of case study is not very much. Case study you will get either 1 or 2, not more than that. So don't devote so much time in the case study portion. You will also, in the test series value addition material, you will get around 30 case studies, out of which 10 will be the PYQs and 20 case studies will be from different section. Even if you study those 30 case studies and try to solve them, you will be able to do the case study there in the paper. So don't try to give much time over there. Now comes the two portion. One is the definition part, and one is the thinkers and their statement. So these two are the areas which you need to emphasize. For the definition, like define aptitude, how it plays, how it is helpful for civil servants, and so you will get simple questions here in from this portion that could be easily doable from your class material, followed by the any of your books which you are reading. So that will suffice. Here also, the do one thing only, that try to in the end, when the exam is about to come or when you are preparing the notes, write the definitions and 2-3 example. You should have a 20-page notes kind of for each paper. This also keep in mind. At the end we will talk about the notes making. So this you do for this section, that make a table or something like I did. I made a table. Here I wrote the word. Here I have written, I tried to write the definition, what that words define, and here I just the example 2-3 names which I can copy. That is only required here. Then it comes the statement. Suppose a thinkers or some of the personalities or leaders, their statement will be given, and it will be set to you to analyze the statement. See, this is also where you get the opportunity to show your skills or to show your analysis about the surrounding. Okay, so if there is any statement, for example a simple statement that all that glitter is not gold. Okay, it is a simple statement. Now one thing is you keep on simply telling that everything which is fancy, it's not the same, and you try to write the same thing in 2-3 lines. The other way around is, what you can do is try to connect it with different section. For example, we see that we have legislations like sexual harassment or of people at workplace or posh, despite there we have cases of sexual harassment. Okay, try to find different areas from which you can connect the same statement and write the answer. such statements provide you an opportunity to get good marks. People usually, I see that this aspirants get afraid of this kind of question, that ma'am, doing case study is okay, definition is also, like after reading certain books it is also doable, this part is challenging. But I feel that this part is more interesting because that it provides you an opportunity to gain extra marks. हियर सबको वही डेफिनेशन होगा, अगर आ जाएगा कि व्हाट डेनियल गोल्डमैन सेड अबाउट इमोशनल इंटेलिजेंस, all of you will write the same definition only. But this question will provide you an opportunity that you can show your skills, or you can show that how much in broad level or in broad how much is your knowledge horizon, and on the basis of you, the on the basis of that, the better you will be targeting the answer, the better marks you will gain. ठीक है, so don't be afraid of these questions. All the statements which have been asked in the UPPCS till now, try to solve those statements and in the same manner. And in any of the questions or anywhere you will find any kind of difficulty, we will also have mentorship session at least once a week, where you can bring your doubts. You can also bring your copies, what kind of answers you are writing, and I'll see that, and I'll also try to provide you my insight how you can improvise your scores. Okay, so this is what you have to do in GS4. Now we will see GS5 and 6, which is, I believe, most challenging for all of you. Since, if how many of you have earlier also given UPPCS mains? Okay, so everybody is, this will be first one, then you will be first time you will be appearing for GS5 and 6, right? See, when it comes to GS5 and 6, first of all, don't be even afraid that even if you are not from UP, how many of you are not from UP? Okay, I am also not from UP but still qualified. UP अच्छा state है, everybody gets selection there. My batch also have a one of my batchmate is also from Karnataka. So from UP, UP has a open heart and open door for everybody, and then you can also see it in that manner that there is less partiality or something like that. That if you are doing hard working, then your hard work will be like rewarded. ठीक है? So despite me not being from the same state, I was able to do it very easily. Two, three things you need to do. First of all, don't start with paper 5 and 6, rather start having your command over paper 1, 2, 3 only. Because paper 5 is and 6 is nothing. Paper 1, 2, 3, it is just having UP as the prefix. ठीक है, तो the moment you will be able to have your command in 1, 2, 3, that is half done. Half, because earlier I was also very much stressed that how I will be able to do so many of topics. But one day I analyzed, okay, the topic is challenges associated with agriculture in UP. What it will be different from challenge associated with agriculture in India? It will be same, the points will be same. The change will lie in the data, facts, and the schemes which are being the initiatives of UP government. That will be the only change. Don't panic so much, especially see the area which you need to focus is the history portion, because history, there will be certain things like, or mostly you have also, you must have studied in the prelims also, but there will be certain areas which you will need to study अच्छे से, जैसे दमदम में क्या मिला या सराई नहर में क्या मिला है, what were the excavations there, so you need to know. अब हमें आलमगीर के पुर के अलावा कोई साइट नहीं पता है कि इंडस वैली में, बट देयर वर सर्टेन साइट्स फ्रॉम द रीजन फ्रॉम बरेली, देयर वर सर्टेन एरियाज फ्रॉम मेरठ, ठीक है, एंड देयर आल्सो सर्टेन फाइंडिंग्स वर देयर, like Bareilly mein some market was there in the Indus Valley civilization. So how I try to remember is कि बरेली में झुमका मिलता है तो झुमका एक मार्केट में मिलता है, so I try to, so that will be the area where you really need to devote your time, that you have to study the history portion nicely. For example, अवध का revolt पूछ ले, या बनारस में एक मैसेकर हुआ था, that will, so that is such kind of history which you will not study in the UPSC classes, and that you need to target. Okay, the notes which you will get in the value addition handouts, there also we will try to emphasize more on the historical portion, so that such kind of informations which you are not getting from the standard books which you are reading, we will try to cover it in those sections. So even if you read up now, see, if there is question that what were the key significance on like state the sites of Indus Valley civilization from UP and what are the key significance. Now half question of your is already ready, the significance portion, because that will be same what you have studied from the UPSC perspective, that will be same here also. The change will lie in what are the sites or what are the areas which you need to which you should be aware. So for that you will get the handouts and your work will be done. See, this if it when it comes to polity, now see, in the polity we had question in the governor in our exam. सो गवर्नर तो हम वैसे भी पॉलिटी में पढ़ के आ रहे हैं ना. अब क्या हो जाएगा, यूपी का गवर्नर है तो नाम लिखने को तो नहीं आएगा कि हु इज द गवर्नर ऑफ यूपी. थोड़ा रोल पूछ सकता है, बट द रोल विल कम कि कहाँ कहाँ ऐसा हुआ है कि गवर्नर और गवर्नमेंट के बीच में कुछ क्लैशेस हुए हैं. ठीक है. सो सी द फर्स्ट वी ट्राइड what our plan was to give the entire handbook for paper 5 and 6, but the observation what I feel is that instead of reading the entire book, only try to focus on such key topics and the key data which you will extract and which you will use in your knowledge of paper 1 2 3 only. मतलब एक बहुत बड़े लेवल से छोटे पे आना इज इजी, 5 6 से स्टार्ट करके 1 2 3 में मत जाना. यू विल ऑल्सो फील अफ्रेड, पीपल देयर विल बी पीपल इन दी सराउंडिंग हु विल बी सेइंग कि अरे पेपर 5 6 के बिना यूपी कैसे निकलेगा, उससे स्टार्ट करो. डोंट फॉल इनटू दैट ट्रैप. Do your 1 2 3. Even that is why we have kept 5 6 also later in the test series, because the moment you will be able to do 1 2 3 very generously, you will find that you are in the better position to write the paper for paper 5 and 6.